What is an oven warming drawer and how do I use it?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about oven warming drawers and how to use them effectively in your kitchen. If you've ever wondered what these drawers are for and how they can make your cooking experience more convenient, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in.
What is an oven warming drawer?
An oven warming drawer is a special compartment built into some ovens or kitchen appliances that provides a low-temperature heating function. Its purpose is to keep cooked food warm and maintain its temperature until you're ready to serve. These drawers are a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal, especially when you're cooking multiple dishes or hosting a gathering.
How to use an oven warming drawer?
Using an oven warming drawer is relatively straightforward. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Preparing the drawer before using the warming drawer. Make sure it's clean and free of any debris. If your drawer has adjustable temperature settings, set it to the desired temperature using the control panel or knobs on the appliance. Typically, warming drawers offer a range of temperatures, usually between 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius, and 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Placing the cooked food. Once the warming drawer is ready, transfer your cooked food into oven-safe serving dishes or plates. It's essential to use oven-safe cookware as the drawer can generate heat and some dishes may not be suitable for the purpose. Avoid using plastic containers or dishes that are not labeled as oven-safe. Step 3. Loading the drawer. Carefully load the serving dishes or plates into the warming drawer, ensuring they are positioned securely and not overcrowded. Make sure there is sufficient space between items for the warm air to circulate effectively and maintain an even temperature. Step 4. Timing and monitoring. The duration for which you can keep food warm in the drawer depends on the specific dish and your preferences. Typically, you can safely keep food in the warming drawer for up to 2 hours without compromising its quality. However, it's always a good idea to consult the specific instructions for your oven or warming drawer model. During this time, it's essential to monitor the temperature occasionally. Some warming drawers may have temperature displays, while others require you to use an external thermometer. Adjust the temperature settings as needed to ensure the food stays warm but doesn't overcook. Step 5. Serving and enjoying. Once your guests or family are ready to eat, simply remove the dishes from the warming drawer and serve the warm, delicious food. Remember to use oven mitts or pot holders as the serving dishes may be hot. And there you have it. Now you know what an oven warming drawer is and how to use it effectively in your kitchen. These handy appliances can save you time and effort while keeping your food warm and ready to serve. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or preparing a feast for your loved ones, an oven warming drawer can be a valuable addition to your cooking routine. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!